You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name that is of Korean origin, or at least quite commonly used in Korea. In Korean, and we'll look at how it is said in English as well. In Korean, Dae, Dae is how it's pronounced, Dae, alright? Now in English it's often pronounced as Dae, Dae, or again, if you want to hear the Korean pronunciation, Dae, Dae. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.